Welcome to today's lecture. In this session, we'll explore one of the most powerful components in AI hardware, the Graphics Processing Unit, or GPU. Once designed for gaming, GPUs are now the backbone of artificial intelligence and machine learning. A GPU is a specialized processor designed to perform many calculations at the same time. Unlike CPUs, which focus on sequential tasks, GPUs excel at parallel processing. This means they can handle thousands of operations simultaneously, making them perfect for training large AI models. In AI, GPUs accelerate deep learning by quickly processing vast amounts of data. Imagine teaching a neural network. The GPU runs billions of calculations in parallel, reducing training times from weeks to just hours. This ability makes GPUs critical for image recognition, natural language processing, and self-driving cars. Think of the CPU as a skilled worker who completes one task at a time, while the GPU is like a massive team of workers, each handling a small task at once. Together, they balance speed and efficiency in AI systems. In summary, GPUs have transformed from gaming hardware into the engine of the AI revolution. Without GPUs, today's advancements in deep learning and large language models would not be possible.